Solid day of trading today following Facebook's Meta's earnings yesterday. Nasdaq opened up super heavy and was able to get some good opportunity, couple trades, up $6,000 across my 20, 50K Apex accounts. And we're going to go and recap those couple trades from the stream right now. If you didn't know, my live stream is free and it's on my main channel, Trades by Matt. So it's every morning, Monday through Friday at 8:20 a.m. Central Time. Make sure you subscribe over there, come hang out. And if you are interested in getting started with Apex, again, I'm trading 20 of the 50K funded accounts. You can get started with a 50K account for $37 with code TBM right now. So make sure you check that out. Let's go and dive into the recap. Yo, good morning. Welcome. Happy Thursday. Hope you're having a good day so far. And you're excited for some exciting things. Because the Nasdaq is down 1.7% to start the day. Woohoo. Let's look at the daily. Holy gap-a-roni. Big gap. 200 point gap almost, looks like. Hello. Okay, cool. We had Meta earnings yesterday that just totally yoinked the market. We are opening up below VWAP, below yesterday's value area low, and very close to the overnight lows. Everything feels very dumpy. That being said, we have a massive gap to the upside, but it feels dumpy. This is the type of day where it feels like volatility is just going to be off the charts, or it's going to be incredibly boringly slow sideways. I don't know which one. I have literally no clue. I'm going to err on the side of caution of it's going to be crazy, and I'm going to play it as such. I want to go with the trend, which is down. But if we break any sort of structure and we start ripping, VWAP looks pretty good, 100 points higher, and then start ticking off levels from there. We pop the overnight highs somehow, miraculously. You're still looking at a gap fill, right? We'll see. I really don't want to force logs. I really don't want to force shorts, just right off the bat. So normal 15-minute wait period. This is a great example of why I wait 15 minutes, is because days like today where we're opening up down 1.7%, and I think it could truly flip either way really hard. So I like to just kind of wait, let it do its thing, figure it out a little bit, and then, attack it. News wise, we had jobless claims coming at 7:30. We've got pending home sales at 9 o'clock, noon 7 years. But 9 o'clock for us, this stream, 9 o'clock will be the news because I don't have it going longer than that. In other news, I saw it in the Discord chat today, so I figured we'd talk about it a little bit. TradingView is starting to get tick-based data. To where they'll have Delta operating off tick-based data. That being said, the Delta only operates off tick-based data if you are a professional subscriber, which is only $240 a month. So it looks like TradingView is kind of coming into the 21st century a little bit on getting tick-based intervals, data, true data on big exchanges. That being said, which is, by the way, tick-based means every single trade is logged as opposed to aggregating all of the trades in a time frame, right? So right now, cumulative delta doesn't work on TradingView because if you have a 5-minute time frame, it just lumps everything into all the volume in a 5-minute window. Whereas tick-based data dissects it, right? And so in order to use tick-based anything, you have to pay $240 a month on TradingView. So it exists, but you have to pay $240 a month, which is crazy. It says it in here somewhere. I lost where it was, but it says you have to have the professional package. Tick-based data is currently available for the most popular exchanges. To access this data, you must have a professional plan. So it exists for $240 a month, and if you're gonna pay $240 a month, in my opinion, still, Sierra Chart is better. Almost anything is better for $240 a month. Sierra Chart at least has built-in trade copier as well. That's debatably cheap for data. No, not in the slightest. You can get Denali for significantly cheaper. $240 is an actual ripoff. It's a month. $240 a month for TradingView BS beta data. How much you pay for Sierra Chart? 44.8 USD a month for the service package, because I do the 6-month increments to get the discount. And then my Denali is $37 a month. So I pay $70 a month for Sierra chart, data with Denali, arguably one of the best datas that you can get as a retail guy. And the trade copier built in, and a very high functioning platform. I pay $70, or you can pay $240 a month for TradingView to get access to tick data. What's Denali? It's just the data that Sierra chart built. Sierra looks so complicated though. That's why Gary, I have not messed with any of my Sierra chart. The most I've ever done is set up my trade copier. Gary has exclamation point TPH, $7 a month. And you get access to the custom theme, dark mode, all of my charts, all of his charts, 55 tutorial videos, tradingplatformhelp.com. So just go ahead and round it up to your whole cost of business at $77 basically. Well, right now I'm waiting for after news. We got news in a minute and a half, but yeah, I haven't seen anything. We're just in the middle of the range. Nothing to be done yet. I don't want to long the middle of the range. I don't want to diddle in the middle, and shorting on what feels to be kind of poppy structure is not necessarily up my wheelhouse either. So I'm just kind of waiting. Not in a rush. Not in a rush at all. There we go. Books are looking fine. It doesn't look like it's gonna be that crazy of news in 10 seconds. We're done with news. Is pretty much a non-event as somewhat expected. Okay, this is a good rotation off. VWAP is interesting to me still. VWAP and this 90 level. I was talking about this 90 level earlier. I think I even put an order on. I'm still fairly interested in this 90 level. Kind of heavy on Delta. I'm open to it, but it's going to be a very quick stab if I get filled. How fast is your internet? Fast. Still pretty heavy. Watch watch value area high. Middle of the range. Magical 80s. Catching some buyers here. I think the VWAP exit is probably safer if I even get there. Probably safer. We got the blue line algo currently taking place. But realistically, I think I could probably get away with that as well. I got my finger on the trigger ready to get out. So I'm just going to let price do its thing. See how we respond at 400. And hopefully we go test the wick above. But I'm taking it off. I don't like it enough. And I'm not gonna watch this go red to green to red again. So taking it off for basically break even. Basically break even. 20 to 1 point across the board. $420. Wow. Break even's $420 across 20 accounts is crazy. But yeah, I don't like it enough to hold on to it after I wanted to see a reaction. I'm fine with a little flush through, but after it goes green, I'm not down for it to flush through again at all. So, especially after a really heavy candle. So take the break even and move on to the next. Yeah, there's the VWAP touch. That's good. And like, I wouldn't be shocked Yeah, look, I like almost would have gotten completely filled out here. It's just a super sketchy. That's like a sketchy trade. Double doji. If I'm holding through that, I don't think I'm managing that very well, to be perfectly honest. It's like, yeah, it runs to target. And it's, 7 points for 15 points sort of situation. 7 points down for 15 points up. But like, I don't think that's good management. To hold double dojis right below VWAP to still stay in your trade, that seems really sketchy to me. So I'm happy I got out. There's other opportunities. All right, nice smack off IB. IBL definitely in play, it seems. All right, VWAP again. I mean, basically there. Delta doesn't look fantastic here though. I'm gonna take a little short here. Oh, right as I throw the short on, a huge wall comes up. Delta's just looking a little weak. Here's the rotation. Looking for like middle of the range, ideally. Like this. Really, I want this. I want like middle of the range. I don't know if that's gonna happen. That's kind of aggressive. Okay, nice. Just under 15 points, 13 points or something like that. Delta was looking weak on the rollover right under VWAP 400. I marketed in. We had a really nice push. We had a tight candle. We barely flushed the prior high. We come back into it. I marketed in. That's the play there for me. And then look at a solid exit, which is middle of the range. Looking for like a 50% retrace on the prior move, which is right where that is also. The prior move being this, right? 50% is right there. So just a safe exit. I think realistically, rotation to point of control makes a lot of sense. But that puts me at $300 across the board, which is $6,040 today total, which I'm happy with.